if you're tired of ChatGPT giving you weak answers, maybe too vague, too long, or too boring. So in this video, I'll show you exact formula how to turn your ideas into master prompt. You can use it every time you want to create something. A master prompt is not just a question to ChatGPT. It's a framework. It's an instruction to tell ChatGPT who to be, what to do, and what kind of style you want, and exactly how to structure your answer. If your question is just like write me a script, and give you just vague answers, and not give you specific exactly what you need. Here we'll look at the outline of the master formula of master prompt. It's constructed of a persona and role. You have to act as an expert on what kind of niche you want to be and how many years you experience. This is, for example, or you can add more to this role and experience based on what you require. The second one is task and output. Here you can create an output like a script, guide, breakdown, summary. Here you go an audience. It's obvious what audience you want to target and what is their goal. What is the format rules? With these rules, you need the answer to be as a bullet, steps. There is any character limits on your answers. This is not specifically only for this. You can even add more format depending on your requirement. Here the tone and the style, which is casual, Gen Z, professional, funny, whatever kind of style, tone you want, or not necessarily audience, in email or anything, you want it also instructed to be maybe a professional. Here constraints and extra condition. If you have anything do want to include it in your prompt, you do want to include it in your maybe answer, or you want to add or focus on something on your answer, you can even add example to the prompt to understand it even more better, to have me even accurate answer for you. This is like a bonus prompt. You can have like expand this is into 2 steps. Give me 3 examples. Write like a Gen Z tech insider. Use the emojis, but don't overdo it. Make it community friendly. This is like samples. You can add it to the prompt to understand it better what exactly you can have in this outline. And I have a sample I created also. You can even understand it better by this sample. You are a top tier expert in this topic, and this is how you can structure your outline of this prompt from the role and mindset, your mission, what is the input, the output. I have this one also on the description. You can also copy it and paste it. You can change the content type, what kind of content you're doing, and what is the audience you're targeting. So simply how to add this to ChatGPT by simply going to a project, you make a new project, you name the project as you want, then you have the title, then you paste this outline after you wrote everything you need and create. So every time you want something from ChatGPT, you go to this project and write exactly what you want, and based on the outline, what you explain to that prompt, will give you the answer you needed exactly. Remember, the ideas are worthless until you engineer them. Master your prompt, and you're gonna master the results. Catch you in the next one. Peace.